All right. Well, protecting your eyes from the sun, believe it or not, is so important in the wintertime. We don't really usually think about that. We think about wearing sunglasses at the beach, but we're going to explain why it's important to continue that sun protection throughout the year, especially winter. We're in the dead of it right now, or not the dead of it, the beginning, of the winter. Joining us is the Maple Grove Pearle Vision Store manager, Brooke Hawley. Nice to have you here.
Thank you for having me.
I think this is a very appropriate topic for today because we have the snow falling. And why is it that people, if they don't wear sunglasses in the winter, why is it so important that they do?
Well, it's so funny. We always think of sunglasses being a summertime thing, but today, like you said, is a perfect day because the glare from the sun can be quite hazardous. It's actually brighter in the winter than it can be on some summer days. So wearing sunglasses really protects your eyes from UV rays and it helps you to prevent for later in life cataracts and different eye diseases.
Right, and then you have that snow that makes it even brighter.
Yes.
As we know, we have the roads now that are covered in snow,
yes.
and not only is it brighter, now you have the sun that is, or the snow, or is reflecting from the snow.
Right, and especially with less leaves on the tree, that makes more open areas, so the sun's hitting those snowy areas directly and projecting that glare right into our eyes, making it difficult to see. So really wearing sunglasses is something that's even more comfortable for our eyes, helps us to see better.
You have a selection of sunglasses here, and also when it comes to the actual color of sunglasses, for instance, what are best for winter activities? Being outside, maybe snowmobiling or ice skating or just doing winter sports.
Well, it's really personal preference because it kind of depends on the color of your eyes. Lighter eyes tend to like a darker lens so that they're not getting as much light in. So what we always suggest is that when you're choosing your sunglasses, you're talking with an expert about what activities you're going to be doing so that they can best choose the right lens for you. Most people end up choosing between brown, gray, or green because those lenses don't distort colors, so you actually see the way you naturally would with your eyes.
Okay, and now it's important also in the shape of your eye as well, in choosing like the frame and in the shape of the frame.
Well, for sunglasses, you really want something that's going to sit close, give you good coverage, so you're protecting the skin around your eyes. Because if you think about where you put sunscreen on, most of us don't go right up to our eyes because we don't want to burn our eyes with the sunscreen. So you want something that's going to give you a lot of coverage. You also want something that kind of contours to your face shape. So something that might elongate your jaw, may help to make your face look a little slimmer. You also want to do a smile test. So you want to smile, making sure your cheeks aren't going to lift the glasses up.
Ah, okay.
Raising them off your nose. So that's important too.
Let's take a look at some of the fashions. I mean, you have a wide selection here of sunglasses, and you said like for maybe a round face, what would be a good shape for a round face?
A round face is going to have something like this where it's a little bit square, so it's going to bring in your jaw a little bit more so your face isn't so round. One shape that kind of transcends most face shapes is the aviator. It's kind of a classic. Now we're seeing
I love aviators.
I know, and adding
can't wear them, and I'll show you a good example since I have a round face. These don't work for me, but I love them on everybody else but me.
Exactly.
There's the aviators, and we see a lot of the Hollywood stars wearing these. These are the ones that I picked out. You think these are the best for my face shape?
Absolutely, because the line is really nice on your face. It looks fantastic, and a little bit of pop of color. So we're seeing classic black with a lot of little color highlights, which is what that Tiffany has. We're also seeing ones here that have a lot of temple design. So where you may get a conservative look in the front, then you're going to have something fun on the sides, like a pattern of glasses, a bow, a highlight of color.
Party on the side.
Yeah, exactly. Keep it safe in the front. Or you can do something a little more dressy, like this Bulgari that has stones. Those are all hand set, making like a piece of jewelry for your face, which really is what glasses are.
We have to point out that you've brought, well, first of all, it's important for kids to wear sunglasses as well. We have, who do we have here modeling the shades?
We have Jaden. So he's wearing a pair of Ray-Bans. And it is important because kids' eyes are more transparent, so they get more UV rays into them. And also, they're outside more than adults. So starting at a young age, creating a healthy habit of wearing sunglasses is really important.
And then also some men's adult shades. Here's a good example. These are like these classic Ray-Bans, or?
No, actually those are Emporio. The reason why he's wearing those is the newest thing in men's sunglasses is a highlight of color. So on the sides you're seeing pops of red, orange, greens, different things that men typically in the past haven't worn. They've stuck to brown and black in sunglasses.
Okay, and then you even have fun glasses that you're wearing today.
Yes.
They're just for fun.
Yes.
They're not sunglasses, but
yeah, regular everyday glasses with just a pop of color is something, a new trend that we're seeing, especially with more highlights on the top like this.
All right, great selection. I love them. Thank you so much, Brooke Hawley from Pearle Vision in Maple Grove.
Thank you.
All right.